Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're going to continue with the SmartWatch model B33, which you might have also seen as FD68. If you haven't seen part 1 of this video, there is a link below. We'll go step by step on how to set it up with the FITHERE app, so you can do the same and be able to see your notifications, messages, calls, etc. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to install the application called FITHERE. You can find it by searching on the watch. Go to More, long press, then you have the QR code. All you got to do is look for your cell phone and take a picture of it. So you have the link right here, and if you click on that, searches, and then you see you have all the applications that are compatible with this watch. You've got the UWatch app, you got the FITHERE app, this is what we're going to be working with, and you've got the Phone app. You can find each of this app in Apple Store, in Google Play, and in I don't know what Android phone this is. That's one way of getting the app downloaded to your cell phone. Also, you can scan the QR code in the manual or guide. There is a FITHERE QR code. You do the same. Get your cell phone. See right here, you have options to link. If we click on this, starts opening the app source, and the same thing. You've got UWatch, FITHERE, and Phone. And if not, you can search for it directly on Google Play. Just come straight to Play Store, look for FITHERE, and click on this, and you have it right here. So you have 3 options to download the app. We are going to install the FITHERE app, which is quite compatible with Android and iPhone, so there shouldn't be any problem. FitPro is another app that was recommended, but when installed there were just too many problems. I installed to 3 different cell phones and it just won't connect. Supposedly firmware needs revision according to the app, so at least for this model I won't recommend it. Once the app is installed, you'll be prompted to accept some agreements which you have to accept if you want the service or you want to use the app. After install, open the FITHERE app and immediately there's a pop-up showing the devices that can be connected. If it doesn't pop up during the initial setup, you can go to the app settings and then you connect to your cell phone to sync from there. Also on your make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Once it has found your watch, the model name or MAC address of your watch should appear on the screen. Tap on it to pair. The process only takes a few seconds. If you have a doubt about your watch's MAC address, let's take a look at the watch. Here you go to More. In the last section, we'll have more information about the watch. Basically, it's a MAC address to help identify your device. So if we come here and we compare both of them, same thing, C000A5C7006A. So that is how you connect your watch to your cell phone. Now your entire watch should be synchronized. To confirm this, we go to our watch. The language should have changed. If your cell phone is in Spanish, for example, everything in your watch should be in Spanish. If your watch is in English, everything on your watch should be in English. Also, the time of your cell phone should have synchronized with your watch. On this interface right here, you can see the date and the day. You can see how many steps I've taken today, 2020. Here you see how many calories I've burned, 71 calories. And here you see how many kilometers I've walked today. Let's change this interface. And the same thing here, how many calories burned, 71, 1.3 kilometers, date and the day. Here it's exactly the same. You can see it. How many calories? You can see the steps I've taken today, 20 steps. How many kilometers? 1 kilometer. And calories, I've got 71 almost 72 calories burned today. Meaning that we'll also be able to do a lot of things. Starting here below, we have health, sport, trend and my data. Here in my data, we can add our personal information, log in and edit our profile. So we have average steps, maximum steps, average mileage. If you come to personal data, you can easily use your name, write your name, state your gender, unit system, if you want inches, or you want it in centimeters, you want it to read in pounds or in kilograms, you choose which one. In my case, I would rather go for centimeter kilograms. The time system, if you want a 12-hour or you want a 24-hour. Height, you can easily place your height, place your weight, and your birthday. Coming here to trend, you see this or information by the date. This is how many steps taken each hour or at a particular time of the day until about, the last time was about 8 o'clock, and then no more real walking. Then I stopped walking basically. The same thing with mileage. See, this is the highest peak of the day where I had my highest mileage. And then the calorie. It's about the same time. You see the peaks about the same time of the day. Before we continue with everything right here below, we want to go to the top drop down menu. Here you have a couple of things we can do with our app. First, connect your devices. For example, if it doesn't connect automatically when you open your device for the first time to sync, you can come here and do it. You can look for your device directly from here. Shake for selfie. Here you take photos and record videos. Talking about this, the watch does not have a camera to take photos, but rather it acts as a shutter to take photos from your cell phone. The photos can be seen on the cell phone and are saved right there on the cell phone. So let's try it. In order to ensure the normal use of this function, please authorize the camera permission. So you have to agree to that. Allow FITHERE to take pictures and record videos while using the app. And then again, you're prompted and you just have to agree. Allow FITHERE to access videos, photos, etc. You allow it. Let's just say we want to take this picture here. This is just an example. And let's go to more, long press. Let's go to camera, long press to activate. And it's been activated. See right here, you cannot do anything directly from your cell phone. It's yellow, it's unenabled. You have to use your watch to control. Let's say we're gonna take that picture. Come here, this is our watch. Click on camera, you are going to hear a vibration. If you look down here, you see the picture. Let's do it again. See the picture. I'm going to take a picture of my lenses. Come back here. Activate, long press to activate. Activated. And just one quick press. Vibration, and down here it is saved. So let's go and take a look at our pictures. Right here we have a new file called FITHERE, and you can see all the pictures that I took. You can even take selfies with it. So if you turn this and then you take your selfie. And that's how to take pictures using your watch as a shutter. Message reminder, we'll come back to that later. You can synchronize all data. If by any chance it does not synchronize automatically, you just come here and you just press this and it will synchronize all your data. It has a band function settings, screen up upon raising, sedentary reminder, drinking reminder, that's good for me, and smart anti-loss. This is going to tell you if your cell phone is too far from you or something. Smart alarm. Search device is quite interesting also. If you lose your cell phone or any device, you can use the app to help locate it. If we come here and press search device, I'm looking for my watch. Search device, your watch starts vibrating. And if you want to search for your cell phone, all you got to do is let's go to more, long press, and go to find phone. Long press to activate this, and you see my cell phone starts beeping. In short, if you lose your cell phone or even if you lose your watch, you can use the app to help locate it. Synchronize weather, watch face push. Here you can download certain aspects which can synchronize to your cell phone, and then you have basically a new interface. Allow FITHERE to take pictures and record video, etc. Agree. We have to agree to everything. So what we see here basically are your background, the background for your cell phone. So let's choose one of them. We're gonna download this and see if it starts syncing. Right here, it's syncing to your watch. And this is it. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna give me the time, the date, but not much, depending on what you search for. You can see that all of this is quite basic. It doesn't give you all the information the original page gave you. This at least gives you information about the steps you've taken. And that's it. These are just backgrounds you can sync to your watch. Now let's see how the social media section works. To set the notifications, we come to where it says message reminder, click on it. You'll be taken to a notification access. Look for the FITHERE app and click to approve. Allow FITHERE. FITHERE will be able to read all notifications, including personal information such as contact names and the text messages you receive. This app will also be able to snooze or dismiss notifications or take actions on buttons in notifications, including answering phone calls. This will also give the app the ability to turn Do Not Disturb on or off and change related settings. Then go back and you see quite a couple of options. Here you select what you really need. In this case, I am only interested in just a few apps. Quite easy and straightforward. Remember, we can do this with all the apps we want. In my case, I'm interested only in the following. One, call reminder. It's gonna prompt you to agree. You have to do that. Agree, and allow to make calls. So remove permission if app is unused. So you see notifications are blocked. What you got to do? Allow it. Allow notifications. Allow sound and vibration. You got to do that. Let's go back. SMS reminder. Agree to that too. Allow. Facebook reminder. Twitter. WhatsApp reminder. Line. I don't use Line. Kakao. Messenger. Instagram. I do use Messenger. VK and Telegram. You see, it's quite easy and straightforward. Remember that you can select all the apps that you want without any problem. Now let's see how the notifications are read on the watch. Here on the main screen, you'll see the notifications coming in. At the bottom, you'll see the logo of each notification received. But to see the messages, we go directly to notifications, where you should be able to see all the messages without any problem. The only thing you might not be able to do is maybe read all the characters in a single screen. So let's just try. I'm going to send a message from my cell phone to the cell phone. Let's just say hi. And you see it right here. This is the message. And right below here, you see the WhatsApp messenger. Let's try and send a normal message. Normal messages. So it's going to tell you what message is being received from where. If you want to see the message directly, you just have to go to SMS, long press, and here, this is the message that I've received from WhatsApp, and the next message I received from a normal text. Talking about calls, when you receive them, when you receive calls, the watch will vibrate. You will not be able to answer, but you will be able to see the contacts calling you, since your contacts on the cell phone are already all synchronized to the FITHERE app. So let's just try and see. Call. See who's calling. Someone's already calling me. As you can see, the setup of this watch is quite simple. I know that many people are on budget and perhaps cannot buy a flagship smartwatch. So this is a perfect smartwatch for whoever is looking to save some money. And I must admit, I was impressed with the watch. The message and call notifications work quite well. But if you're going to use it for sport activities like take cardiac measurements, count steps, I think you may be a little disappointed since it's not very precise. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about this smartwatch model B33 or FD68. If you have any comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. For more information about where to buy this product or similar one at a very good price, below you'll find a link. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon.